Students, today I discuss about very important chapter for joint entrance examination, that is limit and continuity. So limit and continuity concept is one of the most crucial topics in calculus. Okay, a limit is defined as a number approached by the functions variable across a particular value. For instance, for a function fx is equal to 4x, we know that fx is equal to 4x is a function, and if I take limit x tends to 2 f of x, okay, it is also know that limit x tends to f of x is equal to, we can write limit x tends to 2 4x, okay, and also we know that this is equal to 4 limit x tends to 2 x. Why? Now we know that limit x tends to b ax is equal to a limit x tends to b x. So we write this, and this is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so we take a function fx is equal to 4x and also take the limiting value, that means limit x tends to 2, and we get, suppose we take another example, limit x tends to 5 by 2 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 pi by 2 sin x. Simply we put the value of x, that means pi by 2, so this is equal to sin pi by 2, and also we know that sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore we can say that limiting value of fx is equal to sin x at x tends to pi by 2 is 1. Okay, if we take another example, suppose fx is equal to e to the power x. E to the power x is an exponential function. So, and if I take x tends to 0, so we can write limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 e to the power x, and we put the value x is equal to 0 in here, so we can write e to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so after that we can conclude that a limit of a function f of x is defined as a value where the function reaches as the limit reach some value. Limit are used to define integration, integral calculus, and continuity of the function. If f of y is a function, then the limit of the function can be represented as limit y tends to c. Now we discuss about the properties of limits. Properties of limits. We take any two function fx and gx, and first property is, if limit x tends to a f of x plus g of x is equal to, we can write this limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. Same as if here minus, also minus here. That means limit x tends to a f of x minus gx is equal to, we can write limit x tends to a fx minus limit x tends to a gx. Number 2, for every real value, real number k, limit x tends to a k into fx is equal to, we can write here k is a constant, that means k is a real number. And as k is a real number, so we can write k into limit x tends to a fx. This is very, very important formula. Next, number 3, limit x tends to a fx into gx. Here we see multiply of two functions, and this limiting value is equal to limit x tends to a fx and limit x tends to a gx. So we can write product of any two function and limiting value is equal to limit x tends to fx into limit x tends to a gx. Number 4, limit fx by gx, that means division. This is equal to, we can write limit x tends to a f of x by limit x tends to a g of x, provided that g of a not is equal to 0. Why? If g of a is equal to 0, that means this is undefined. So this is very important condition, that g of a not is equal to 0. Okay. Now we discuss about some important limits which is very, very useful for JEE. First of all, limit x tends to 0 sin x. This is equal to always 0. Number 2, limit x tends to 0 cos x. This is equal to always 1. Number 3, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. And also we can write is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by sin x. Number 4, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1, and also is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by tan x. Number 5, limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Next, number 6, limit x tends to 0 e to the power x is equal to 1. Number 7, limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Number 8, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a base e. Number 9, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x is equal to e. Number 10, limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x is equal to e, also is equal to limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x. It also minus infinity and for plus infinity. Number 11, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power n minus 1 by x is equal to n. Number 12, limit x tends to 0, sine inverse x is equal to 1. Also write limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x. Number 13, limit x tends to a, sine inverse x is equal to limit is equal to sine inverse a. Obviously a mod a less equal to 1, mod a less equal to 1. Number 14, limit x tends to a, cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse a. Here also mod a less equal to 1. And number 15, limit x tends to e, log x base e is equal to 1. These are very important formula which help us for solving various type of limits. Are sufficient for JEE any type of limits problem. Now we solve various types of limits problem from previous year question paper. Now we solve this problem, and this is the previous year problem. Now for solving it, just we put the value of x is equal to 1 in here for manage the time, for saving the time. 2 into 1 minus 3 into root 1 minus 1, 2 into 1 square plus 1 minus, okay. So this is equal to 2 minus 3 and this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 6. 0 into something by that, by 6, by whatever, 0 here, so answer is 0. Okay, next. Now we solve this problem. This is equal to, so here we see that x tends to minus 1. So now we put x is equal to minus 1 in here. This is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4, and by 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 2. The value is 3 into 1 minus 2 plus 4 and 3 minus 2. 5 by 1 is equal to 5. So answer is 5. Now another problem is limit x tends to 0 log of e to the power x square plus 3x plus 2. So here x tends to 0, so we can put x is equal to 0 in here. So we write limit e to the power 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2. That means log e to the power 2. And we know that log e to the power x is equal to, we can write x. So by this formula or by this property, we also write this is equal to 2. Next problem is limit x tends to minus 2 x square minus 4 by x plus 2. First of all, we expand this function x square minus 4. We use the formula a square minus b square is equal to, we know that a plus b into a minus b. So we can write x plus 2 into x minus 2 by x minus 2. Question: why we expand this formula? Because we see that denominator and numerator are same. So x minus 2 are eliminated, and this is equal to limit x tends to minus 2 x plus 2, and this is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, and 0 is the answer. Next problem is limit x tends to 1 x to the power 5 minus 1 by x minus 1. We know the formula limit x tends to a x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. So we apply this formula and we get limit x tends to 1. We can write x to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 5 by x minus 1, and this is the type of that. And this is equal to, here n is equal to 5, so 5 into, and a is equal to 1, 5 into 1 whole to the power 5 minus 1. So is equal to 5 into 1 to the power 4 is equal to 5. So answer will be 5. Next problem. Now we take another example. Limit x tends to 1 x to the power 15 minus 1 by x to the power 10 minus 1. We write this as limit x tends to 1 x to the power 15 minus 1 by x minus 1, and by limit x tends to 1 x to the power 10 minus 1 by x minus 1. Now we can apply the formula of this formula we apply here. So we can write for this, here n is equal to 15 and a is equal to 1. So directly we write 15 into 1 to the power 15 minus 1, and by here n is equal to 10, so 10 into 1 to the power 10 minus 1, that means 15 by 10 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 3 by 2 is the answer, and this is very very important problem, and this is the previous year problem of JEE. Next problem is limit x tends to 1 x square plus 1 by x plus 100. So direct you can put here x is equal to 1 and you will get the answer. So 1 square plus 1 by 1 plus 100. So 2 by 101. This is the answer. And this is the time management method. Now we discuss about a very important topic, L'Hospital's rule. Suppose we take a function limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. If I direct put x is equal to 1, we get 1 square minus 1 by 1 minus 1, and this is equal to 0 by 0, and this is undefined. This is the undefined form. So this form we called 0 by 0 form. And when we get 0 by 0 form, something by 0 form, or infinity by infinity form, then we apply L'Hospital rule. Now we discuss about L'Hospital rule. So when the problem is given limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1 by x minus 1, first of all check the value, put the value of x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 1 by 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 by 0. You can write here 0 by 0 form. Now using L'Hospital rules, we get is equal to limit x tends to 1. Now we derivative denominator and numerator. So derivative, that means dtx of x square minus 1, and dtx of x minus 1. So this is equal to limit x tends to 1, and we know the derivative of x square minus 1 is equal to 2x, and derivative of x minus 1 is equal to 1. So we write limit x tends to 1 to x. Now you can put the value of x is equal to 1 here, no problem. So limit x tends to 1, this is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is the answer, and this is the L'Hospital rule. Now see the next problem. Next problem is limit x tends to 0 plus x log x. So first of all, if you put x into log 0 into log 0, and this is equal to undefined infinity, because we know that log 0 does not exist. So it also apply L'Hospital rule. So we write using L'Hospital rule, rules are derivative of x and derivative log x. And now we rearrange the function. How? Now we can write x log x as log x by 1 by x. X into log x, we can write log x by 1 by x. Rearranging it. So now we apply L'Hospital, that means derivative of numerator and denominator, and derivative of denominator is 1 by x, and derivative of numerator is 1 minus 1 by x square. and this is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by x into minus x square, and this is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus minus x. Now simply we put x is equal to 0 and this is equal to minus 0, that means 0. 0 is the answer. Now we see the next problem, and the next problem is limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 7x square plus 10x by x square plus x minus 6. So first of all we put x is equal to 2 in here, that means 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square plus 10 into 2 by 2 square plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 7 into 4 plus 20 by 4 plus 2 minus 6, and this is equal to 28 minus 28 by 6 minus 6, that means 0 by 0 form. So we apply L'Hospital rule. Now write that using L'Hospital rules, so limit x tends to 2, derivative of denominator, that means ddx of x cube minus 7x square plus 10x by ddx of x square plus x minus 6. So limit x tends to 2, derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square, derivative of 7x square, that means minus 7 into 2x plus 10, derivative of x square, this is 2x plus 1 minus 0. Why? Now we know that derivative of any constant is 0. So therefore limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus 14x plus 10 by 2x plus 1. Now we put x is equal to 2 in here and we see the result. So this is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 14 into 2 plus 10 by 2 into 2 plus 1. That means 3 into 4 minus 8, 28 plus 10 by 4 plus 1. So this is equal to 12 minus 28 plus 10 by 5. That means minus 6 by 5. This is the answer, and this is the another example of L'Hospital rule. Next problem is, and this is limit x tends to minus 4 sine pi x by x square minus 16. So limit, if we put x is equal to minus 4 and this is equal to sine minus 4 pi by minus 4 square minus 16. So this is equal to minus sine 4 pi by 16 minus 16, that means sine minus sine 4 pi by 0, that means undefined form, is equal to 1 infinity undefined form. So we use or applying L'Hospital rule. Using L'Hospital rule, we get limit x tends to minus 4, derivative of sine pi x by derivative of x square minus 16, and this is equal to limit x tends to minus 4. We know that derivative of sine pi x is pi cos pi x, and derivative of x square minus 16 is what? Now this is equal to 2x. We know that constant derivative is always 0, so 2x, and this is equal to limit x tends to minus 4 pi cos pi x by 2x. Here we see that pi by 2 is a constant. So we write pi by 2 limit x tends to minus 4 cos pi x by x. Simply put the value. This is equal to pi by 2 limit cos pi minus 4 by minus 4. So is equal to pi by minus 8 cos 4 pi. So what is the value of cos 4 pi? We know that cos even pi is always 1 and odd pi is always minus 1. So 4 is even number. So we write minus pi by 8 1 into 1 is equal to minus pi by 8. This is the answer. Okay, next problem. Now another problem is limit x tends to infinity log 3x by x square. So as here x tends to infinity, if we put x is equal to infinity, this is the infinite by infinity form. So you can write here infinite by infinite form. So we use L'Hospital rule. This is equal to limit x tends to infinity, derivative of log 3x by derivative of x square. And we know that derivative of log 3x is 3 by x and derivative of x square is 2x, and this is equal to limit x tends to infinity 3 by 2x square. As 3 by 2 is constant, so we write 3 by 2 limit x tends to infinity 1 by x square. So this is equal to 3 by 2 1 by infinity square, and this is equal to 1 by infinity means 0. So 3 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is the answer. Next problem. And the next problem is limit x tends to minus infinity x square by e to the power 1 minus x. If we put x is equal to minus infinity, so this is equal to infinity and this is also infinity. So this is infinity by infinity form. So we use L'Hospital rule and we get limit x tends to minus infinity derivative of x square and derivative of e to the power 1 minus x, and we get limit x tends to minus infinity derivative of x square. We know that derivative of x square is always 2x, and derivative of e to the power 1 minus x, this is very very important, and this is equal to minus of e to the power 1 minus x. Clear? I repeat this. Derivative of x square is always 2x and derivative of e to the power 1 minus x is minus of 1 minus x. Minus of e to the power 1 minus x. Now if we put the value minus infinity, so again it's infinity by infinity form. Now we derivative this function. So this is equal to limit x tends to minus infinity derivative of 2x minus derivative of e to the power 1 minus x. So this is equal to limit x tends to minus infinity derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of e to the power minus x is minus of minus 1 e to the power 1 minus x. This is equal to limit x tends to minus infinity 2 by e to the power 1 minus x. Now if we put x is e to the power minus infinity, we get 2 by e to the power infinity, and this is equal to 0. 0 is the answer. Okay, and this is the total concept of limit. Okay, thank you.